and on we'll go.
Good day, everyone. It's a new day, a brand new day for our learning. I am Georgie Katubay Abi, a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, from Philippine Advent College, Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte. The main objective of my demonstration for today is that the end of the lesson, the student should know the 4 types of sentences and how to use it in a sentence. But before we start, let's have a prayer first. Okay, Brexel, lay the prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, good morning. Take your seat. Now let me check your attendance. Abbas Darrell Dave. Okay, perfect attendance. So let's proceed to our topic this day. But before we start, let me ask you something. What is a sentence? Very good. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. When we speak, we read, we write, we make use of sentences. But we all know that we have different types of sentences. That is what we are going to discuss today. In this moment, we are focusing the 4 types of sentences. What are the 4 types of sentences? Any idea? Anybody from the class? What are the 4 types of sentences? Okay, very good. The 4 types of sentences are declarative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and interrogative sentence. Let's define first what is declarative sentence. But before that, I have here one example. I have here one sentence. Okay, I have here one example. You have to define it. What kind of sentence is this? My friend is a really good writer. Any idea what kind of sentence is this? Yes, very good. It is a declarative sentence. Why? Because since the sentence states an opinion and ends with a period, it is a declarative sentence. Do you know why it is a declarative sentence? Because declarative sentence is a sentence that tells something and ends with a period. Okay. I have here another example. Please complete your homework tomorrow. I have here another example. Where do you live? Since this sentence it ends with an question mark, it is an interrogative sentence. Why? Because interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark. But I have here a keyword to start an interrogative sentence. The WH question is a word used to start an interrogative sentence. The what, the where, the who, the when, and the how. Those are the words that we are going to use in constructing an interrogative sentence. I have here another example. Ouch! It hurts so much. Can you guess what kind of sentence is this? Any idea? Okay, very good. Very good, John. This sentence is called an exclamatory sentence. Why? Why it is called an exclamatory sentence? Any idea, Marie? Do you have idea? Yes, very good, Marie. Because of the word ouch, this sentence is called an exclamatory sentence. Because it's called an exclamatory sentence because of the word ouch. Why it is called an exclamatory sentence? Because the meaning of exclamatory sentence is a sentence that shows a strong feeling and ends with an exclamation point. Remember that we have 4 types of sentences. The declarative sentence, which tells something and ends with a period. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command or request and ends with a period. An interrogative sentence, a sentence that asks a question and ends with a question mark. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is a sentence that shows a strong feeling and ends with an exclamation point. Okay, let's proceed to another activity. And to help us identify that you understand the 4 types of sentences, you have to join and cooperate me in this activity. Let us read carefully and identify the types of sentences and choose the letter of the correct answer. Let us read carefully and identify the types of sentences and choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Are you looking for tasty products? Letter A, declarative sentence. Letter B, imperative sentence. Letter C, interrogative sentence. And letter D, exclamatory sentence. Any volunteer from the class? Are you looking for tasty products? What type of sentence is this? Very good. It is an interrogative sentence because it is an asking sentence. Number 2 activity. Quezon Province serves. Number 2 activity. Is Quezon Province serves different tasty foods? Letter A, declarative sentence. Letter B, imperative sentence. Letter C, interrogative sentence. And letter D, exclamatory sentence. What is the good answer? What type of sentence is number 2 stated? Very good. Again, it is an interrogative sentence. But because it asks again a question. Sentence number 3. Longganisang lukban is a very famous breakfast food. What type of sentence is this? A, declarative. B, imperative sentence. Letter C, interrogative sentence. And letter D, exclamatory sentence. Anybody from the class, what type of sentence is this? Very good. The correct answer is letter B, because it is a declarative sentence. It is a sentence that states an information about something and it ends with a period. Number 4. The last number. Kindly visit and experience the pride of Zamboanga del Norte. What type of sentence is this? Letter A, declarative sentence. Letter B, imperative sentence. Letter C, interrogative sentence. And letter D, exclamatory sentence. What is the correct answer? What type of sentence is this? Very good. Letter B. Because an imperative sentence is a sentence that asking someone to do something and it ends with a period. Very good. You did a great job, kids. I hope everyone got a perfect score. So by this time, you are now able to identify the different types of sentences. You may start answering your self-learning modules or activity sheets. But before we go home, let's have an assignment. For your assignment, you have to make 5 sentences and state whether it is a declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Only 5 sentences. Pass it tomorrow morning. Okay. Learning must not end. It is a continuous process. Again, this is Georgie Katubay Abi at your service. Till next time. Bye-bye.